Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In today's analysis, we will once again take a look at this big down channel on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see for the past several weeks, Render is again and again trying to break out the resistance of the channel. And here you can see Render has formed another ascending triangle. We have an uptrend line support and a horizontal resistance as well. And we will also take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Render token that I shared for my members at the Patreon almost 3 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal move. And by the way, this was a chart, and this pattern was formed with US dollar pair. And I think this was the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see I shared this chart on 12th of September, and on the 4-hour time frame chart, this Gartley move was formed. And I told my members that the price line is slightly moved up after the completion of the final leg. Therefore, we can wait for some correction to buy it from the potential reversals on, or the buyings on. And the buyings on was starting from 56 cents to and goes to 53 cents, and our sell target zone was from 59 cents and goes to 62 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line again moved down and moved at the very end of this buying zone, and again moved up. And after reaching here at approximately 59 to 60 cents, it again moved down and broke down this potential reversal zone. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame chart, and this is the channel that we are all waiting for, that as soon the price line breaks out the resistance of this channel, and I'm also waiting for this breakout, then Render can start a very big move. But so far you can see for the past several weeks it is not able to break it out even after several attempts, and it was entered the channel here back in November 2021, and so far you can see it is moving inside the channel, and we are obviously testing the resistance more than the support. That can be another indication that the price line can break out the resistance of the channel, because the more it will test the resistance, the more there are chances for the breakout. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here Render has already broken out another down channel. It was entered the channel here back in April 2022 and broke it out here on at the end of June 2022 and retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support. We had a short pump, but we got rejected by this resistance of 85 cents. And right now the price line is moving between 85 cents to 45 cents support and resistance level. And during this move, you can see it has found another slight uptrend line that is slightly moving to the upside, and here we have a horizontal support. And for example, if it will continue its move inside this ascending triangle, then you can see at some point these support and resistance lines can touch each other, and so far you can see the price line is not able to break out this resistance. We had some accumulation here above this resistance, but got rejected by this price level resistance of 85 cents, and that is also a key resistance to start any bigger move. And for example, if we break out the resistance of this triangle, then you can see it can show us the projection. You can see it's showing us a projection beyond this resistance, that is $1.20. And for example, if we will break down the support, then we can again break down this support of 45 cents, and we can test this support of 27 cents. That is also very strong support, and that is also a recent swing low before this channel's breakout. And for example, if we move here at $1.20, in that situation we can also break out this resistance of the channel. And by the way, the target after this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $6.70. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a Patreon member or as a YouTube member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.